Hi and welcome. This is another video in a series of videos on how to crawl websites and the different ways in which you can do so from within Raptor's web crawler. Now you will have to have already added a project and a couple of sites to that project in order for this to be relevant to you. So if you haven't done that, then please do so, or check out one of our other videos on how to accomplish that. Now when you log into Raptor, you'll come through to the project's home screen, and from here you can click on a project and go through to the project details. Now in here I have two projects added to the main sites, and the main sites category is designed for you to be able to add multiple websites. If you say own a bunch of websites within the same space that all operate in a similar market, or maybe even compete against each other for any reason, maybe you're trying to occupy more of the search results, then you can add all of these sites under the main sites section. And then if you want to crawl all of these at the same time, you simply click crawl all main sites, and that will crawl every single site that you have within the project under that particular under the main sites category. So that's how to crawl all of the main sites within a project within our web crawler. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.